Alright, so I'm about to line this up. Got all the bolts ready in the correct holes. I just kind of got a half mount for the trans to sit on so it doesn't fall over, but it's getting ready to be all lined up, picked up, and put in. So I greased the fork and this is ready to slap in. So I'm gonna try and mount this up right now. It's kind of a crappy day out. It's just been raining, so didn't get to do much today. Just ran around and picked up more parts like clutch line and just things like that. So I'm gonna mount this up and we'll go from there. All right, so I got this transmission on. It was a pain. All right, but I needed to elevate the engine actually. Like, it was sitting kind of flat. I needed to elevate it up a bit so I can put the transmission on. I don't know, it was easier for me to line it up. So got it lined up. That was my issue. I couldn't get the drive shaft into the clutch disc. Couldn't get it lined up properly, the spine, but it's all good. Everything's in. Bolts are in except for this except for that bottom plate. But other than that, everything's in. Clutch fork is lubed. Got the new slave cylinder on there. All the bolts are in. She's ready to go. Today's the day. Just getting everything situated. I'm bringing this guy to the front. My mount should be here hopefully shortly. Then that's ready to drop in. I'm just getting a bunch of engine stuff just in case. Just readying all the bolts that I need. I have the shift linkage here, so I'm gonna bring that up. The manual T-bracket's already on the engine here, so I don't have to worry about that. And yeah, I should be good to go, honestly, ready to bolt on. So I'm just gonna drag this now from the mud into the front. So we got a long ways to go. And look who's arrived. We got everything situated here. Motor's sitting right in front of the car.
Timing actually couldn't be more perfect.
Perfect. We got it. We got it. We got it. All right, let's see what we got. Looks like one here. Two here. Oh, comes with hardware. And three there. Okay. Okay, there's the trans mount. I think this is going to be the engine, like the driver's side mount. Yeah. Fire, dude. Okay. All three. Lit. So, and then it comes with, I don't know why it comes with one bolt only, but I didn't order DHL. Alright boys, we're here at my garage. Bro, hit these guys up. They know everything there is about Hondas, Acuras, anything there is to know. They have all the info. I come in here. They're retapping my trans bolts for me. Let me show you. These guys are sick. That one's tapped. That one's... Alright, so ran into a problem. The second I got my motor mounts, I'm like, bet, I'm gonna throw them on. I had the driver side, it's on the engine right there. I got the back one sitting right here for now. I'll put that in after. And then my problem was for the auto to manual mount. It came with this bolt because it needed a longer bolt just to fit on the trans here. So that bolt's fine, threaded in perfect. The 2 bolts that I had here, well, didn't thread in at all. They were completely stripped, completely. So I couldn't even mount this. So went to my buddies at my garage, and they tapped in some new threads and put the bolts back in. So now it's all secure and mint. I almost wasn't able to drop the engine in today, but let's hope we can now drop the engine in at least. Like, I don't even want to really start it today. I just want to drop the engine in. That's it. But we need drive shafts, so I'm gonna go pick those up right now. Teggy's on the ground. Engine's still not in. About to go in. Hella dark. This thing actually is pretty low. So let's see if we could drop this in actually tonight.
So dark and cold-hearted, I'm breathless to say the least. So far from a superstar, and my daydreams are killing me. Feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find. Just help me numb all the pain. I'm only one step from dying. My angels keep it at bay. Can't blame the people for trying. Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my grave. To kill it. Just let me fall to my Just let me fall to my grave. Heart fails under pressure. Wonder if these bad days will last forever. So pessimistic from the past. All the good things end up in caskets. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find. Just help me numb all the pain.
Alright, boys. I don't know what filmed. It's so cold out here. My phone died while on the tripod here. But I just want to get this done. It's like, I don't know, it's midnight or something. So we got to wrap this up for tonight. But engine's in. Everything's mounted up. Got all the bolts. Our boys at my garage got us all tapped in there. So trans mounts in, back T-bracket, all that's in. We even got the headers on. So everything's plugged in, and I dead ass think everything's plugged in, and the only thing we do need right now is gas to start the car. So now all there is to do is just connect the battery here, and let's see how that actually goes, because I haven't done it yet. But we'll get all right, let's connect this.
Oh, okay. We got power. What's blinking?
I think my signal's on.
Is there? Well, are these?
Oh, my lights.
Okay. It's smoking here just a wee bit.
Is it?
Yeah, one of the headlights.
From where?
Like right from the bulb.
That one?
Yeah, this one.
Jeez. Boys, we got flipping power. Oh, that's
Hot.
a little hot, even through the...
They go up.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. All right. Damn, dude.
That's fire.